Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 285 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about falling into peace. Just as the leaves let go and drift gently to the earth, you too can release what no longer needs to be carried. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the weight on your shoulders begin to soften. Let each breath remind you that peace comes with release. Now, say to yourself, I let go with grace. I am grounded as I release. And I fall gently into peace. Allow your breath to steady you, rooting you like a tree in autumn, calm and sure. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present moment and carry this quiet peace with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.